I'm Lisa from Best Start Family Hubs in Derby City. We have been working with the Balanced System scheme for schools and settings for a number of years in Derby City. At our starting point, we had 3 localities that were working in very different ways. We had some that had got some identification and intervention and family support, and others that didn't. Some of our offer was a little bit wishy-washy, so when we were thinking about some of the information and key messages that we were sharing with families, that it really wasn't formalised. You know, there was no sort of set way that we were sharing a key message and delivering that with families. So over the years, we have actually achieved amazing consistency across our family hubs now. We've got all 3 localities working in the same way. We have lots of family support across all of our hubs in the city. We are working with health and speech and language, private and voluntary sector, which is something that we could have only dreamed of at the beginning of our journey. We have clear identification throughout our settings, so lots of opportunities to identify children, think about the right support at the right time and ensure that they're on the right pathway to achieve that good level of speech and language and communication that's needed. We have worked really hard with lots of support from Better Communication, who have helped us to understand our strengths and gaps. The Balanced System framework has helped us to be really reflective about what we're doing and how we're doing that as well. So we've had lots of projects over the years and really built on what we do, and we're really proud to say that we have achieved Centre of Excellence with the support that we've received from Better Communication and the Balanced System, and we have become a city that is very reflective about the work that we do. We're always looking at what we can do better, what we can do more, how we can go further to support children's speech, language and communication across the city. We know that this has helped. Our impact data is fantastic. Balanced Systems has really helped us to think about how we're capturing that impact data. So how do we know that children are making progress? We're able to look back at our children, what they've accessed, where they're identified, what we've moved them on to, and to able to capture, you know, how their speech, language and communication has changed, and also recognise when they need more support. So when they need to move on to something more targeted, more specialist, we're able to do that effectively. Impact for parents, we get amazing feedback for the support that we have from parents who access our sessions. They are able to recognise strategies that they're using themselves, so little interaction strategies that we've introduced, and then realising the difference that it's made to their child, but also to them as a parent, and how they're supporting their child. They're much more confident about supporting their child's speech, language and communication needs. As family hubs, we're able to pull off data so quickly now about how many children have accessed support at what level, what their next steps are. It's been amazing for us as a city, the journey that we've been on and the impact that we've had, and we continue to take that further.